Welcome back to the Audiophile-Incar. Today I'm going to take you around this Mercedes SL. We've not only installed Apple Carplay, which we've shown you lots of before, but we've actually installed a stonking hi-fi system, and it really is a stonking hi-fi system. So the double-din conversion, there's two types of head unit in these. If you're familiar with the car, you'll know that this is the later vehicle, and it had the bigger command unit. So that's the fascia panel that goes in with the larger command unit. You see it goes right to the edge. But the earlier models would have had this aluminium here, or kind of walnut that would go right around the radio. Now, we've also got a fascia panel that goes in there that allows us to install the unit without cutting the fascia. So in other words, if you've got the earlier car, we'll keep the lip around the edge. See, we've installed the Mercedes logo there. Now, please, if you live on the other side of the planet, don't contact us to send you parts. We don't do it. We carry out installations. We're not an online supplier, so please don't contact us for parts. Please don't contact us for technical advice. It's not that we don't want to help, it's just that we're absolutely inundated with this kind of stuff, and it's bringing our business to a standstill. So we can't help with technical assistance, we can help with installations, and that's what we specialise in. So here I've installed a Pioneer double-din unit. It's got Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all of the other lovely stuff that you'd want. It is completely wireless, which is a lovely feature. This car came in with bass audio, so here's where the magic starts. Some of these SLs have got Bose. If they've got Bose, they're not too bad. They still sound really flat in the front end. We mess around with the EQs to try and get them a little bit better, but more and more customers are wanting something just a little bit more special when it comes to the audio system. So that's exactly what we've done in there. It's a full Audison and JL audio upgrade. Everything is hidden, so if I just show you the door panel. Traditionally in this door panel, depend on the age of the car, you'd either have 2 or 3 speakers in here. We've replaced it with a three-way Audison setup. So we have, as always, fully soundproof the doors, which is a lot of work. We spend a whole day doing the acoustic work in that door, and it's so important to the sound of the speakers when they're done, and the performance of the speaker, and to get rid of all the resonance and rattles. And in here, we've installed a Audison 6-inch, 4-inch and a tweeter, so it's a three-way component set, all behind that original grille. Then we have created an enclosure, which I can't show you, but it sits right up the very back there, behind this carpet, up behind the dash. That's where the original Bose subwoofer would go, so there's absolutely no loss of space whatsoever. The carpets go back exactly as they were, but what we've got in there is a reinforced enclosure with a JL Audio W3 6-inch driver. Now that is a kick-ass driver, especially when we've got it up front as opposed to behind. It's a really nice place to get a subwoofer. So that's the speaker system. We've got a 6-inch JL Audio subwoofer up in the dash and a soundproofed enclosure. We've got the three-way set in the doors. So how are we going to drive the system? We're going to do it from a Class D Audison amplifier. So in this little compartment here, we've got a 5-channel Class D amplifier. So that's the latest SR amplifier. It's what they call a V2. It has a mono channel, which is driving the woofers in the bottom of the, which is driving the JL Audio 6-inch woofer. It's then got 2 channels to drive the woofers and 2 channels to drive the mids and tweeters. So that's a Class D active setup. Shut this, so we've still got storage in here. We close this, it's completely gone. And you can't see anything at all. I don't know if I can give you a demo of the power. Let me just see if I can. This system takes good couple of days to install. It's fairly involved. Tuner's not the best thing. Let's see if we've got any bass coming.
Damn, I hate to go psycho. Mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Momo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I hate to go psycho. Mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo.
That bass is properly hitting me in the back. How cool is that? And it's completely hidden. So there you go. If you've got one of these SLs and you fancy doing something with the audio, maybe you want to do the Apple CarPlay. We do lots and lots of them. We don't do so much audio, but we're going to do after this. Thanks very much for watching. The best way to contact us is sales@audiophile-incar.co.uk. Please remember, we can't send this stuff out as a kit. It's something we specialise in as an installation. Thanks very much for watching.